You know that feeling when you're watching a show or a movie with a friend who's already read the book? They're sitting there watching you, waiting for every reaction, pointing out each little difference, and always a step ahead because they had the full story in their hands before you ever even started.
Imagine having one place where you can see the full picture of the recruitment process across your entire community in real time. That feeling of trying to watch the most anticipated movie of the year and being left behind, out of the know, is exactly what recruitment feels like without the full picture. With ChapterBuilder Council Dashboard, it changes all that. Now you can see everything that's happening in your community, the full recruitment story in real time.
One place to track names, monitor pipelines, and watch your chapters connect with potential new members. Whether you're Panhellenic, IFC, NPHC, MGC, or any other council, this is your all-in-one hub to support chapters, spot opportunities, and grow your community like never before.
The impact is clear. ChapterBuilder Council Dashboards make councils more relevant, help small chapters grow, keep larger ones organized, and even drive net growth of affiliated members on campus.
Councils who start using ChapterBuilder Council Dashboard, they move from passive oversight to proactive support, building better fraternities and sororities from the ground up.
With dozens of national and international organizations, including thousands of chapters already using ChapterBuilder, you'll be part of building a larger infrastructure of fraternity and sorority growth around the world.
Here's where the magic happens. Forms. You can create up to 2 fully customizable forms: interest, registration, scholarship, whatever fits your needs, and share them on flyers, yard signs, social media, integrated into your websites. You can add your council's logo, tailor the questions to capture exactly what you need, and instantly see which strategies are working.
Now, when you get those leads in your ChapterBuilder Council Dashboard, you have a couple options. You can have those shared manually, or you can have those shared automatically. As potential new members are filling out the forms, whether they're the interest form or the registration form, you have the option to do either one of those. You can have councils do the automatic lead feature, and those leads will be shared consistently and continuously, names being pushed directly to the chapter's ChapterBuilder accounts. Councils could use the manual lead sharing if they want to qualify those leads on whether they're enrolled in school or their GPAs are right before they push them to the chapters. So a couple different strategies there.
Wow, the ChapterBuilder Council Dashboard has so many ways to ensure your organizations are not only reaching your growth and retention goals, but are also ensuring that you're building relationships with potential new members. As we always say, recruitment is a relationship business. Smarter recruitment, stronger chapters, a better fraternity sorority experience for everyone. Unlock it all with the ChapterBuilder Council Dashboard, only from phired.up.